In this video we will remove these markers by using camera projection. First we have to track the footage. We will take camera tracker here. We will track the footage. Track. Let him track. Now we will solve the camera. First we have to delete these points, red and yellow. For that we have to go in auto tracks and delete unsolved and delete rejected. This way we have removed the trackers. We just want green trackers. Now we select the points from ground. All points from ground. Now we click on one point and make ground plane. Set to selected. We have tracked the footage. We have to take the camera by this scene method. We click on scene and create. We got the camera and scene. How we'll check is we'll place a card. We'll take a card geometry, we'll add in scene. We will take one more viewer for 3D 2D. Scene will be 3D and card will be 2D. And we'll take scanline render for rendering the render. Scanline render 3D classic. Camera OBJ. Background, foreground. See, we have got the card here. Now we have to place the card on ground. For that we will just rotate it 90 degree. We got the card on the ground. We will just make smaller card and rotate. This way we have placed the card. Now we check the track. Yes, track is working fine. Now we don't have to do anything. Just we have to take a what we have to take project 3D. Project 3D shader. Yes, we got the project 3D here. Now we have to bring our clean plate here. Clean plate will be on desktop, I think. Desktop, yes. Now what we do is we will project the clean plate onto the plate. How we'll do is we'll take one more camera. We'll copy this camera. Control C, Control V. We'll use this camera as a projection. We'll remove the keys here on first frame. We remove the keys. No animation. No animation. Scene. We just copy all the things here and we'll place project 3D here. Camera. OBJ, camera. place the image here. See, we got the image here. We projected the card here. We put the image on card. Now what we do is we'll add over the plate. See, now we successfully removed the tracker markers using projection method. We projected the clean plate onto the card.